Call up. Hey, yo. That look good, though.
Vincent. Older person.
Easy. Can I look good? Try to look good? Alright, let's see what dubs. If they don't let me in, going to the motherfucking stream, my nigga. My mom taught me to never give the fuck up. It's a prime example. Don't ever give the fuck up what you want to do. Whatever you want to do, make it fucking happen, my nigga. I'm gonna show y'all today. I'm gonna make this motherfucking shit happen, my nigga. Don't ever give a fuck up, my nigga. Anybody can do anything you want to fucking do.